Welcome to our video guide on why starting an LLC in Washington, D.C. is a smart move and how to obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN, for your LLC. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or an established business owner, forming an LLC can provide you with numerous advantages and legal protections. So let's dive right in. Why should anyone consider starting an LLC in Washington, D.C.? Well, there are several compelling reasons. First and foremost, an LLC, short for Limited Liability Company, combines the best aspects of a corporation and a partnership. It provides personal liability protection for its members, shielding their personal assets from any business-related liabilities. This means that your personal savings, home, and other assets are generally safe if the LLC faces legal issues or debt. Another advantage of an LLC is its flexible management structure. Unlike a corporation with rigid hierarchies, an LLC allows for a more informal and adaptable management style. Members can choose to manage the company themselves or appoint managers to handle day-to-day operations. Taxation is another key benefit. By default, an LLC is considered a pass-through entity, meaning that business profits and losses pass through to the members' personal tax returns. This eliminates the need for the company to pay corporate taxes, resulting in potentially significant tax savings. Lastly, an LLC provides an enhanced level of credibility and professionalism. Forming an LLC shows that you are serious about your business, which can attract customers, clients, and potential partners. It also establishes a clear separation between your personal and business affairs, adding legitimacy to your enterprise. Now that you understand the benefits, let's explore the step-by-step process of starting an LLC and obtaining an EIN in Washington, D.C. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Choose a name. Select a unique and distinctive name for your LLC. Ensure that it complies with the naming requirements set by the District of Columbia. You can check the availability of your desired name on the D.C. Department of Consumer and Regulatory Affairs, DCRA, website. Step 2. File Articles of Organization. Prepare and file the Articles of Organization with the DCRA. This document establishes your LLC's existence and includes information such as the company's name, purpose, registered agent, and member details. You can complete the filing online or by mail, following the instructions provided by the DCRA. Step 3. Create an operating agreement. While not legally required, an operating agreement is highly recommended. This document outlines the rights, responsibilities, and ownership percentages of LLC members. It helps establish a clear framework for decision-making and mitigates potential conflicts in the future. Step 4. Obtain an EIN or Employer Identification Number. EIN is necessary for various administrative and taxation purposes. To obtain an EIN, you can apply online through the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, website. The process is straightforward and free of charge. Provide the required information about your LLC, such as its legal name, address, and the responsible party's details. Once approved, you'll receive your EIN immediately, enabling you to open a business bank account and fulfill tax obligations. Step 5. Register for taxes and licenses. Depending on the nature of your LLC and the services or products you offer, you may need to register for specific taxes and licenses in Washington, D.C. Common registrations include sales tax, employment tax, and professional licenses. Visit the D.C. Office of Tax and Revenue and the Department of Consumer and Regulatory Affairs websites for detailed information on the required registrations. Step 6. Comply with ongoing requirements. After successfully forming your LLC, there are ongoing compliance obligations to fulfill. This includes filing an annual report with the DCRA, paying necessary fees, and maintaining accurate records of financial transactions. Staying compliant ensures your LLC's good standing and protects its legal protections and benefits. Congratulations! You've now learned why starting an LLC in Washington, D.C. can be advantageous and how to navigate the process step by step. Remember, while this video provides a general guide, it's crucial to consult with a qualified attorney or business professional to ensure compliance with specific regulations and to address any unique circumstances related to your business. Starting an LLC and obtaining an EIN is a significant milestone on your entrepreneurial journey. It offers legal protection, flexibility, and tax advantages, making it an attractive option for businesses in Washington, D.C. So go ahead, seize the opportunity, and turn your dreams into reality. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty, time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.